Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. We're at our destination. We're a little early, but we're gonna walk up anyways. We're supposed to get seated at 9:30, but it's like 9. It's called Cloud Sky Bar, 9th floor. It's supposed to have really good views of Hanoi. Or excuse me, it's supposed to have really good views of, yeah, pretty much Hanoi overall. Let's go. So here's the event that we're going to, you guys. Live DJ, dazzling electric firework lit up the sky. There's attractive combos for groups. Oh, thank you. Mình đi tháng 7 đó, mình lên trên tháng 8 tháng 9 hả? Okay, you guys, we're on the 7th floor, so we need to walk up to the 9th floor. And then... Alright. Let's go. Em đi trước này đi. Whoa. This is the big restaurant on the 8th floor. And here we are, going to the Cloud Sky Bar.
Hello.
Chào em.
You go to the Sky Bar?
Dạ đúng rồi.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so no, yeah, come on, yeah. All right, so this is the 9th floor Sky Bar. Here's the DJ section. The bartender. Alright, you guys, so here's like what it comes with. So some of what it comes with. It comes with the platter, meat platter. Someone is clearly horny tonight. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and open the bottle of champagne. There's an hour and 17 minutes left before the countdown, you guys. Very nice. No limit. Pumping out eggs, pumping out eggs, pumping out eggs, pills. Come on, yeah. Got a new car, got a new bitch. Deal. What up, bitch?
that's true, yeah.
1 minute only leaves us 10 minutes left. Oh, we want kids?
Hello. Hello. Okay, is there anyone here don't have their minigame ticket? Is there don't have in here? Because right now we will have a lucky number right here, and the winner will have a free bottle of wine. Let's go! Have a ticket? Give a ticket to him! Right now! Okay, hold up. So, we have two prizes here. With the second prize, we have a bottle of spirit, and the first prize will have a bottle of champagne. And now I will take a bottle of spirit. Okay. Okay, there's still one don't have a ticket. I have number in my hand. Is there no one left? Okay, the lucky number is number 58.
What did she win?
It is for you. Congratulations!
Yeah!
Give me another cheap beat for one more. Let's go. Okay, the next winner will have this one. And the lucky number is
40!
The lucky number is 24. Number 24. 24 is here. It's 23. Is that 23? It's 24. Let's go. Congratulations, sir. Okay, and the final one with this gold label. Who will win this one?
We will!
You. Okay. Hold up. The luckiest number from today is. Okay, I have a number in my hand. And it is number 53! Can I see the 53?
We're desperately needing like some fireworks. This cannot be it. What's so funny is that like CL is performing in Saigon right now and we're missing out because we're in Hanoi. Okay. Why are we looking at Herbalife? The girl's like so happy she won. How cool. Please God, let them do something a little bit cooler than this. Y'all.